Here we go.
Thank you for calling BMW Assist. My name is Bija. How may I assist you?
BMW? I was trying to get hold of Rolls Royce Concierge. Hi everybody, today we're going to do a little walk around my new acquisition, my Dawn. I was always skeptical about buying one of these because I thought it looked a bit old manish, but nah, I love it. It's absolutely gorgeous and I tried to make it a little bit hip. So I'll tell you all about it. Let's have a look. So we'll start off basic black Dawn, and I added these GFG wheels, and they have the Rolls Royce center cap that does its little spinny thing. With a bit of luck that'll stop the right way around, and when you're driving they always remain upright, which is really, really cool. So love that. The wheels have a little pinstripe on it. That's actually not paint, it's a sticker. And the sticker is applied to the outer rim. You can do it in any color. So I figured, hey, why not? Let's match it a little bit. The front, the nose has the white satin wrap on it, which is pretty fun. I don't know if it will show up as well on the camera as it actually does in real life. So what else have I done to the outside? Not really a whole lot.
Pinstripe?
The pinstripe, yeah, I added the pinstripe. Again, it's not painted on, it's a wrap sticker. And I think it looks really, really nice. The fun stuff's the inside. So let's do a little take on the inside. And first and foremost, I'll take the roof off because that's what's really special about this car. And I can't, of course, do that with the Wraith because the roof doesn't come off. I suppose it could with a saw, but nah, let's not do that. Okay. Just for effect, I'm going to close the door and make it look proper. Here we go. Glorious California sunshine. And that's it. So once again, this is very similar to the Wraith, and I know I've done a review of the, well, not so much a review, but a walk around the Wraith. This is very similar, has the same beautiful little toys, the umbrellas, which of course, I don't even know if these open. Shall I open it?
Go for it.
Let's open it. Never done this. Just want to make sure they do actually work. And you know what? How does it open? I don't know how it opens. Do you know how this opens? No, it's still wrapped up and sealed.
Oh, yeah.
I guess this does something.
The blind leading the blind, isn't it?
Yeah, really. Have to look in the owner's manual how to open the umbrella. Now this is really dumb.
Pull these out.
No. It's they're way in there. They go down to here.
Do they?
Yeah. And it's all wrapped up in there. Maybe it's just for looks. You know, Rolls Royce, you need to make the umbrellas easier to operate. I feel so stupid right now. I can't even begin to tell you. Maybe it's a golf club, you know, or something.
There you go.
All right, I'm going to put away the unopenable umbrella. Imagine that it's pouring down with rain and you're on a date with a really special lady. Well, the Rolls Royce has these built-in umbrellas in the doors, but they don't open. God. That's really perplexing, isn't it? I mean, why wouldn't the umbrella open? There is a manual. Do you think it says how to open the umbrella? Probably not, right?
Maybe.
Probably tells you how to get it out, but it doesn't tell you how to open it. Like, come on. What type of person am I?
Just for my OCD, could you put the umbrella back in so the Rolls Royce logo is right, please?
Oh gosh. Is that meet with your requirements?
Perfect, thanks. Much better.
Satisfactory.
Yeah.
Shall I check the other one to make sure that we're not?
Yeah, let's have a look.
Let's have a little look at that one.
Uh-oh.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh. This happens to me all the time, doesn't it? How do you open the door?
You keep renting all these cars.
I know. How do you, oh, it's here. Never been in this side of the car. Yeah, I've got to stop renting the cars. Okay, umbrella. Look, this one's already perfectly straight.
Perfect. Don't touch it.
No, I want to see if it opens. No, this one's also still wrapped up and sealed. Maybe it's something to do with that. I'm going to call Rolls Royce emergency hotline and say, excuse me, how do you open the umbrella?
Does this have like an OnStar concierge?
A concierge. It does have a concierge, yes.
Maybe call them up and see what they say.
Should we do it?
Yeah.
Okay, we'll do it. We'll go through the car, then we'll call them up and I'll ask them how to do it. Okay, so what else does the car have?
Show us the interior.
The interior, well, the interior does not come normally with an Adam's Sword GoPro, but this in fact is on the floor. Can I claim it? Is it mine?
Sure.
Nah, I'll give it back to you. I don't even know how to switch it on.
Maybe we'll give that away when we get to...
No, what we'll do is we'll give a new one away. That's what will be a prize. We'll give a new GoPro to some lucky winner when I get lots of subscribers. When this car came, this was the most beautiful wood. I think it was mahogany, and I absolutely hated it. It's part of the luxury pack that comes with the car. So I covered it up and made it white. Can you believe that? This is a wrap on top of the beautiful wood.
I didn't even know that.
Yeah, I shouldn't have told you. I didn't say that to anybody. Nobody knows. It is in fact a wrap.
Okay.
Don't know why.
The wood?
It's like a tiki, fancy special stuff that they brag about, which is disgusting.
Well, don't they say that it's the same wood that they make the decks of sailboats?
Yes, that's exactly what it is. But it doesn't look good. I mean, there's nothing else like it in the car.
Yeah.
The rest of it's all black piano lacquer wood, and there's nothing like that. So I don't know why they did it. But there again, they did it. The back of the car, what does it have here? So we have the glove box, we have the, I don't know what's in there really. I've never been back here. But I do know that these buttons they're not actually buttons. I'll go around there and I'll show you, you can press them. They're for the wind deflectors, depending if you have 2 people in the car or 4 people in the car. If there's 4, I believe this goes, well no, how would you do that? See, I need to read the owner's manual, but the wind deflector is in a beautiful leather bag in the trunk, and it's going to stay there.
And so that just goes in to stop you from being buffeted by the wind?
Yeah, because it's a very big open area.
And so it just covers the whole of this?
I don't know, I haven't taken it out of the wrapper, but apparently I'm not supposed to do that. There's buttons for that. But yeah, so this is the Dawn, and we did this on the Wraith, but let's do it again. This will close that door, so I'm closing the door over there, which is a lot of fun. And what else is there to show you in here? I don't think I'm going to go through the systems, because the systems are very similar to that of the Wraith. They're very, very similar. There's hardly any difference at all. I'm trying to think what differences there actually are. So it has a roof button.
How did you spec this then? You know, what are the options when you come to get these brand new?
Pretty much they come basic, and you pick the interiors that you want, you pick the piping, even if you want the Rolls Royce monogrammed in the headrest, everything is an option on this car. So I just loaded it up pretty much with everything that you can get. Okay. So there's some visitors, and oh no, there's a tour bus. This is a problem. They're going to stop, they're going to talk. Shall we see what they have to say?
Yeah.
Let's do it. Let's do it. Good afternoon.
You sound you're like from Australia.
I'm not from Australia. Let's try London. Thank you.
Can we ask what you're doing here? Are you doing like a TV show or something?
We're doing a show for YouTube. Producer Michael. Hi guys.
Producer Michael.
Hi. Thank you.
It was nice to meet you.
Nice meeting you too. Look, there's a car following the tour bus. That's interesting. Cheap way of doing a tour, right? I guess you don't have to pay for it. So what else should we talk about this car?
The spec of the interior. So
yeah,
what are the options when, you know, what colour can you have these interiors?
You can have anything you want. I nearly went for bright red.
I'm so glad you didn't.
I'm so glad I didn't too, because it is in fact a Rolls Royce, and I wanted to keep it classy, although fun. There's bright blues, bright oranges. The Hermes orange is quite popular with a black exterior. But I figured, no, let's keep this, you know, fun and light. And it's California, so California's hot, and I think this is You know,
This white
just
looks
just
so
right.
beautiful. Like when you see it from all the way back.
It's stunning, isn't it?
Yeah,
It's
it
stunning.
really is. I've got to admit, when you first got the car and you told me that you had replaced the Wraith, I wasn't too sure whether I would like it as much, but it's so much cooler.
It's very cool, isn't it? It's just a cool car. It's luxurious, it's sporty, it's fun, it's very fast.
How many horsepower are these?
I get this wrong every time. I think just under 600.
I'll just flash it up on the screen.
Yeah, do that because I don't know.
Okay.
But it's I think
I was amazed at how
593.
quiet it was.
It's very quiet. It's very quiet, but it's beautiful and it's fast and just very happy with it. It's a beautiful car. Very fortunate to have it. I'm surprised you haven't said anything, being as OCD as you are. The heating controls are not evenly spaced.
Oh, God.
Would you like me to regulate that?
Yeah, now that you've mentioned
Okay,
it.
let me do that, because I know you'll be very, very upset if you ever see that again. Oh, those are...
So blacked out your side repeaters.
Yeah, I didn't ever notice that. I don't know if you're allowed to do that actually. So.
Well.
And these are cameras. These are cameras that are pretty cool because when you put it into reverse, it actually shows you the top of the car and everything that surrounds it, which is kind of cool.
Nice.
So the difference between this car and the Wraith, other than of course it's a Dawn, is you have the capability of the Wraith, you have the luxury of the Wraith, and it feels like a coupe when the roof is on. When you're inside the car, you don't know the difference. You really don't know it's a convertible. But in the glorious daylight today, you hit a button and the roof goes away, and it's just fantastic. It's absolutely fantastic. The air conditioning is so powerful in this car, which is one of the big features of Rolls-Royce, because most cars, especially convertibles, when you put the AC on a hot day, it hardly reaches you. So yeah, I can't fault it. I enjoy it. Love taking the roof down. I think I'm going to have to get the wind deflector out the back one of these days and open it up. But I'll have to read the manual to see how it works.
Check the umbrellas as well. Oh,
Yeah.
we can do OnStar.
OnStar, that's what we were going to do,
Right,
yeah.
yeah.
So let's do the OnStar. Okay, so let's get in the car and do the OnStar. Set on multiple phones here. Okay, so I think I have to open the... No, I have to switch it on. Okay, it says SOS.
Turn the music down.
There, yeah.
We'll say it's an emergency because you've
Yes.
training.
Okay, so here we go. Oh look, it's a button that you press. Establishing call. Wow. Emergency request. I don't want emergency. Where's the OnStar? Oh, that one. Oh well, let's see. I better.
This call may be monitored or recorded for quality assurance.
Here we go.
Thank you for calling BMW Assist. My name is Bija. How may I assist you?
BMW. I was trying to get hold of Rolls Royce Concierge.
Okay, give me one moment, please.
So this is basically just a rebadged 5 Series, right?
Yeah, I think 3 Series. They add a couple of zeros on the price tag and stick a lady on the front, the Spirit of Ecstasy. Hey, you got a roly-poly.
Okay, hello.
Hello.
Hi, hello. What were you trying to get done?
Well, the car has umbrellas inside the doors, and I know how to get the umbrella out of the door. I've managed to do that. However, once the umbrella is out of the door, I don't know how to make it extend. I can't open it. Does it have some kind of a trick?
Okay, let me go ahead and get you on the line with one of our technicians, okay?
Yeah, that would be fantastic. Thank you very, very much.
You're very welcome. One moment, please.
I know it sounds stupid that I can't open the umbrella, but truly, you looked at it, Adam.
Yeah.
It's not a regular umbrella.
No, I couldn't see how to open it.
No. Very odd. Give me a shock.
This is Emw Roadside Assistance. If you are in a life-threatening situation, please hang up and call 911 immediately.
Do you think they'd
With
know?
your consent, you may receive a text message with your service details.
Good evening, Miss Natasha.
Hi, this isn't an emergency, but it is something that I'd like to know. Can you tell me how to open the umbrellas in my car. I know how to get them out of the fenders, but I don't know how to open them. It's quite complicated. Can you help?
Unfortunately, I cannot, and our master technicians are not here today. I do apologize.
Oh, okay. Well, I will call Rolls Royce tomorrow and see if they can assist me.
Yeah, if not, just give us a call back. Our master technician should be available tomorrow.
Fabulous. Thank you very much. It's a good job it's not raining.
Well, I'm glad it's not raining. I hope you have a better night.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
And owner's manual. And let's go to umbrella.
There it is.
Umbrella. I guess people have looked for this before. Umbrella. Umbrella. General information. Removing the umbrella. General information. Let's look at that. An umbrella is located on both sides of the vehicle in the side trim. Okay, that's nice. Safety information. An umbrella is located, same thing. Push the umbrella all the way in. Okay. Removing the umbrella. Open the door, press the button. The umbrella is ejected. Pull out the umbrella. Close the umbrella and roll it up tightly. Well, I would if I knew how to open it. Slide the sliding handle over all spokes.
Ah, you got to pull
With
the
the
handle.
tip of the umbrella forward, slide the umbrella into the holder. Well, we know how to do that.
You got to pull the handle.
Shake the water off the umbrella. Well, it's not raining, so we don't need to do that. We'll bypass that. Okay, I'm going to try this. Do not leave a moist umbrella in the holder for extended periods. Clean the fabric regularly. Okay. Should we try it?
Yeah.
All right, let's try it. I'm switching the engine off. Ah.
Uh-oh.
Uh-oh. This is a technical difficulty. Without this, you wouldn't be hearing what I'm saying. Maybe that would be a better thing. Okay, here we go. Slide the spokes.
So I think you just pull the handle. There you go.
Now I feel really stupid. Don't make a comment. Okay. And it's still wrapped up in here. Don't make me undo it. Actually, I can do that. Does it say Rolls Royce?
No, it's just a black umbrella.
How cheap. Why wouldn't they monogram it? All right, so now the challenge is putting it back together. Okay, so now that goes in there. Ha! How about that? And then this.
That goes the other way, doesn't it?
Of course it does. I never said I knew how to operate any of these things. And lots of you have said, well, not lots, there's been 2 or 3 people that are persistent in the fact that I rent these cars. I don't rent the cars, they're my cars. But if you want to believe I rent them, that's fine too. That's good with me. We can always do fencing. Okay. And this has to be straight. How's that?
Thanks.
Good enough?
Good enough.
All right. Well, that concludes the instructions on umbrellas and the Dawn. I hope you enjoyed this, and hit that subscribe button, hit the bell, and hit anything else that happens to be there, because it can only be good stuff if it's on my page. See ya.